Hi, it's Scott from Portable Ham Radio. Today in this video, I'm going to show you my portable ham radio battery and power setup that I've got. So I can take this out in the field. I can be out there for days if I need to, because I can continue to recharge everything that I have. It's a great setup that you can use for doing parks in the air activation, or if you're out in the field doing emergency communications. It's a great way to have power all the time for your radios. So let's dive in and check out how you can power your handhelds and other radios for portable ham radio operations out in the field. So here is my portable ham radio battery power setup. Just want to give you a brief overview of this. So right here, my favorite battery is Bioenno 12 amp, 20 amp hour lithium iron phosphorus battery. Works great. I use it for many portable ham radio operations. So then I usually carry it right here in the PowerWorks power box. See right here, it's got part right here is all your Anderson power pole connectors. You got an on and off switch, and this just tells you for the what the voltage is. You also have USB ports right there to use to charge USB adapters, and then you also have a cigarette lighter right there and terminals. Next part of my power setup is the Bioenno BP 120 power pack. This is a 120 watt, 110 volt power pack, and you can see right here it also has a USB port come out there for 2.1 amps, and also an output or an in output right there of 12 volts, 5 amps. So you can run off of that too. And I'll show you, it does have an input that you can charge this 15 volts, 3 amps. And then also too, I have my BioPower Energy solar charger. Now my solar charger that I have here, you don't need it to run with this setup, but if you want to, you can also run it with other solar panels. I'm going to show you how I've got it set up that to work with my charge my batteries and my power pack. But you can use it with the Biopower foldable 28 watt foldable solar panels right here. You can just lay these out right there on the ground. I got 2 of them because you can link these together and create 56 watts of power, and this can do really great in charging up your all your power. Now with this setup, the way it's set up right here, I can stay out in the field for as long as I want, because I can continue to recharge everything. And I'm going to show you here just real quick of how this can work, and also how you can also use your handheld radios and keep them charged up all the way. Okay, the key to being able to have continuous power out in the field starts with the power pack, as you see right here. This power pack can be charged. These 28 watt Bioenno foldable solar panels are made to work with this power pack right here. They're all set to do it. And you can just go right here. All you got to do is just plug in the cable right there and on the input, and you can start charging these. You need to find out you need to turn this on to make it to charge, but you can use these foldable panels. And then so if you're out in the field working, doing things, you can come and set these panels out during the day and charge your power pack. And you can see right here, here's how you chain this together. So right here, you see it says the chain. So you take the one from one of the other solar panels right here, it's coming out of this cord, plug it in there. Then you go and you plug this right here from the output into the power pack right there. And it also has a USB charger. And so this is how you chain this together to work with the power pack, or it can also work with the solar charger. Okay, before I was showing you about using the power pack, the solar panels with the power pack. But now, as you can see, I've got the solar panels now plugged in right here to the solar charger. This is a 20 amp solar charger, and it's made specifically for lithium iron phosphide batteries. And so I've created, as you can see right here, some Anderson power pole connectors going for the solar panel and for the battery right there. And so I've also put in the between here, I've got a little watt meter that can tell me the volts, amp hours, and everything that's coming in, that's coming back on the through the battery and from the solar panel. And this also tells me the volts here. And so I got this tied together. And you can see on the Biopower 20 amp hour battery, it's got USB connectors here, but it's also got a charging port right here, a separate one for charging. And what makes this nice is that if you want to charge the battery with the solar panels at the same time, I've got that adapter that I've done right there. And so I've got that plugged in here to this part here. Now I can go ahead and hook this up to my radio or anything I want and be able to actually use my radio while I'm charging my battery. So this is another way that you can also charge your battery with the solar panels. I've also got another adapter right here. See right here, this adapter. This one here by Anderson power poles, but this has got the solar panel one. So if you want to get a bigger solar panel, I have a 100 watt Rhenology solar panel. I can also hook up to this one right here, and then I can charge my battery, or I can charge my Bioenergy power pack. And so this is another way that you can use this power setup to continuously have power out there in the field. Okay, now I'm going to show you why the power pack is so important. So let's say that you're out doing some emergency communications, you're at an EOC or wherever you need, and during the day, you've charged up your power pack, so it's all ready to go. So nighttime comes, and now you need to recharge your radios. You can see right here, with the power pack, I've got a set of rechargeable AA batteries going up. You can have different sizes right there. I have my Bofang and my Yaesu handhelds also charging all at the same time. So I can go back and recharge these radios in the evening time when I'm not doing solar power, even during the day. And so now this gives me the opportunity to recharge my radios and also using batteries for my radios anytime I want. Just recharge the power pack again, then I can recharge the radio. So this keeps me continuously out in the field. I don't have to go back or have any other power except the solar power and this battery pack. And so I can stay out in the field as long as I need to using this power pack with the solar panels. Also, the other nice thing about the power pack, BP120, is that you can also recharge your lithium iron phosphate batteries. Right now, you can see right here, I've plugged in my 20 amp hour battery with its charger and can charge it. So I have two options to be able to recharge my 20 amp hour battery. I can use the solar panels, or I can use the BP120. So either way, it gives me a chance to do it. I'd probably use the solar panels to be a little bit more efficient because it takes a lot more power to charge the battery this way. And say the power pack for recharging handhelds and rechargeable batteries or whatever else, and then use solar panels to recharge the battery. But this is another option that you can do to have continuous power out in the field. I'm going to later on give in-depth review of each one of these items that I showed you in this video, but right now I just wanted to show you and give you an overview of how you can use this setup with Bioenno power energy packs, batteries, to be able to stay out in the field as long as you want and do portable ham radio operations.